Hello everyone and welcome to tutorial with Coach Philip. Today we are going to be talking about how I designed this flyer. Firstly, I opened my PixelLab, then changed this image size. I used the height as 2000, then the width as 1500. Press OK. Then I imported a background. So after that I used my grid. I added my grid, then shifted it to the edges of the design as I did in this video. So I shifted it to the edges of the design, then I imported an image. So I flipped it, then reduced the size. Sorry for that notification. I reduced the size, then kept it at the right side here. Kept it there. So let's see, I rotated it. Watch carefully. So I imported a shape. Yeah, I guess I need to rotate this here. So I rotated it and placed it like this. Also increase the length. So I colored this. I gave it a black color. And also a shadow that fits it. So I imported another shape. So I added, sorry for that notification, I used texture to add an image inside it. So we are going to import one Babin image. So let's take one. Let's use this. So I use this and put it here. So I also copied it. Watch carefully. I copied it. So I used the positioning to shift it, and I placed it just close to the other image. So I also used texture. I used texture to add another image into it. Yeah, let's select a new image. Let's pick one. So yeah, that's it. Okay, then I use scaling to keep it well inside it. Then watch carefully. I copied it again and I placed it close to this image here. So I also use that same that texture too, and to add a new image. Watch carefully. So I added the image. Okay. Then I also imported a new image. I imported an image. So I rotated it and kept it there. Watch carefully. So I grouped the shapes in which those Barbie Saloon styles are inside. So I grouped them together. So I also imported this, as you can see. Then I kept it there. Watch carefully. So I kept it exactly at that place. So now we are going to add this premium. So I increased the size and also changed the font style. I changed the font and I increased it. So I added a new text. I'm going to add hairstyles. So I added it and changed the color. I made the color to be the exact color of that clipper over there. So I changed the font as well. I picked the color, see there, as you can see. Yeah, and it's the same color with the color of that clipper. So I also imported a shape. I reduced it and gave it a color. So I just reduced it, watch it, even the scaling and other stuff. So I added the width and also gave it an outer shadow. So I gave it an outer shadow and also I'm giving it an inner shadow. Watch carefully. That same color, I gave it an inner shadow. Yeah, I also increased the blur, so it will rhyme together. Watch carefully. So that's it. So I'll add our services, what those people I designed it for offer. So our services, then press OK. Our services. Our services. So I increased it and imported a new shape. and I also worked on the the radius and the color, and also the blurry outline. Yeah. So watch carefully. So after that, I moved it to the back. So that it will be under these images that are here. So afterwards, I added the text. Things that they offer. Yeah, things that they offer. Regular cuts. Okay. So these are the things they offer. So I press OK. So I reduce the size and also use line spacing, to make it horizontal like this. To make it horizontal, watch carefully. Make it horizontal. So I also reduce the shape so it will fit in. Yeah. Then I put this arrow stuff and remove the color, that white color. I remove the color using color eraser. So I change the color as well and placed it there. Watch carefully, I placed it there. So I'm going to be copying all of them one by one to place it at each place. So I copy that one, place it there, mustache, copy this one, copy it again, and place it at the next one. That's how we are going to be doing it. Watch carefully. So I also copied it and placed it there. Yeah. So I'll copy that one as well and place it there. Watch carefully. So that's it. So we are going to add a location tag. So I also changed the color, changed and reduced it there. Yeah. Imported another shape. So I reduced the opacity so that the color inside will not be visible. Then I also increased the stroke in the editing of the shape. I did not remove it from the editing. I just went straight to the point. Yeah, so I did like that. So I added the place, the work, like the location. That's obviously a photo. So that's where the work. And I added it, also their phone number. I also added their phone number over there. So watch carefully. I added their phone number, and this is kind of making sense now. So I used Snapseed to edit this picture there. I used Snapseed to edit it. As you can see, it's very, very neat. It's not magic, it's Snapseed. Use Snapseed to edit it. So I will do another tutorial for how I did that one. I will do another tutorial for how I did it. So also edited those ones that are inside the shape, all the stuff, and it's now clear. So I added my name, Philo Graphics, at the top of it. I added it. As you can see, I use spacing to increase it like this. So that's it. So I also use a font. That font that I used it. So as you can see, it's looking good. So I saved it. I used PNG and I used the dimension as Ultra and saved it. Always use Ultra and PNG to save it. So thank you very much. This is the art school. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.